Hello and welcome to Logos College Online Learning. This is Achan Toto. Today, I'm going to talk one more time about the letter U. And this is Pronunciation in Use, Unit 18. This is page 44 in your book. Okay. Again, I would like to remind everyone to please subscribe to the Logos College channel because you need these videos in order to complete your assignments, okay? And sign up for Google Classroom. The passwords and the past classroom codes have all been sent out to everybody. Okay, so let's look at the three sounds the letter U makes. All right, the previous videos we talked about the as in blood, right? And then as in foot. Today I'm talking about oo as in shoe. Okay. Oo, shoe. And the oo phonetic symbol is right up here, right? And words like moon, grew, through. Okay. And here's the symbol right here. It's the letter U and these two dots. These two dots mean that the phoneme is a long vowel sound. Shoot, rude, ooh. Let's take a closer look at this sound. So this is section C in your book on page 44. And this is a long vowel sound. I'm going to play this sound for you, and I want you to listen to this sound. Okay, so you'll notice that the ooh sound is longer than the other two U sounds, which were really short, such as and This is ooh. Look at the diagram of how to make this sound. Your back of tongue is up, lips are rounded, lips forward, jaw up. Let's take a look at the side of your face. So back of tongue is up, and jaw is up, and lips are forward. Again, this is your jaw right here. Okay, your jaw goes up, all right? Jaw goes up. Lips are forward, all right? Lips go forward, and the back of the tongue is also up. Now this is a little different from the sound because the front of tongue moves forward. It could possibly touch the back of the bottom front teeth, right? Whereas the sound, it doesn't touch. Here, the ooh sound, it could touch. Maybe it doesn't, maybe it does. Look at the front of your face. Right? So the lips are relaxed at first, but become a very well-rounded, tight circle. Lips are forward and jaw is up. So look at this ooh sound. Look at your lips. And then look at the sound. Took, Look at your lips here on this sound, and now look at your lips. The ooh sound. So your ooh sound is a very tight circle of your lips. And this word, do. So this word is a little different. It has a ooh sound, but if you notice, the lips aren't as tight of a circle. They're not as rounded. This is because do is usually an unstressed syllable word. All right, it's an unstressed word because it's very short. Therefore, when you make the short ooh sound, you don't get the very well-rounded ooh. but this is still the ooh sound. Okay. Let's practice a little bit. Some of these words, your target sound is right here. And we're going to go from here to here to here. I want you to notice your mouth movements and make sure that when you make this sound that your lips look like this and your tongue in the back goes up, your jaw goes up, and your lips go forward. All right. Repeat after me, please. Full, fool, ball, road, rude, rod, butt, boot, boat. Again, full, fool, ball, road, rude, rod, butt, boot, boat. Let's put these example words and say them together. Okay. Shoe, shoes, shoot, new, lose, soup. Again, shoe, shoes, shoot, new, lose, soup. Look at this look at this box right here. So this is one of the big differences between British English and American English. The British, they like to pronounce this sound before the U sound, all right? And this sound is the Y sound, Y. So the British, this word right here, the British like to pronounce it like this. News. News. Or American English pronounces it like this. News. 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 Look at this word. British English says tune. American, tune. 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 So both are correct. People will understand you, and that's the very important part. And as long as people can understand what you're saying, that's what's important. Okay. There's no wrong way to say this one. You can say news or news. It's up to you. If you go down to part D on page 44, it talks about spelling. Right? So a very common spelling for these sounds, all three sounds in Unit 18, is a double O. O-O. Right? O-O and O-O. Right? So the double O and the letter U can make all three of these sounds. So you have to be very careful here. Okay? So this is right? Blood. This is good. This is ooh, shoot. So double O, the letter U makes these sounds. Another common one is O-U and O-E. Young, does. Okay. Here, O-U makes the sound, would. And then the ooh sound, O-E, is common, O-U again, and E-W is a very common letter combination for ooh. Part D here says that if there is an R after the letter U, it makes a very different sound. So we'll learn more about this in the next unit. Okay, so don't worry too much about it, but know that if there's a letter R after a letter U, it doesn't make any of the three sounds from Unit 18. Okay, so that's it for now, for this lesson. Next lesson, I'm going to talk about your homework, all right, your homework assignment for Unit 18, and I'm going to send it out in Google Classroom, so please join Google Classroom, and I'm going to show you how to do the exercises on the next video. Okay, and thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. Any questions, please ask me in Google Classroom, and I will see you next time. Thank you.